we'll be using for this installation are a flathead screwdriver and a pick tool. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to start off with the front seat all the way back. You want to have all the room you can up here. I want to point out a couple of things. Number one, here is your liner. On the bottom, you're going to have some nibs that are designed to grip the carpet. So you want to kind of try to keep them off of the carpet as you're putting it in position. And so what I like to do is fit this up underneath the brake and the accelerator pedal while I've got it up off the ground. So I'm just going to kind of slide it up in there. And then next, what we're going to do, these two locations right here need to line up to the factory fastening points. Once those are lined up, we just push them down and let them lock in. And get it fit into place. Next, we can go ahead and work on the passenger side. All right, now just like in the front, we're going to make sure that the passenger seat is all the way back. Next, what we're going to do is get our floor liner. A couple of things I want to point out is that, number one, we don't have pedals in the front to work with or work around, and we also don't have a physical attachment point in the carpet, but we do have a place for it to snap in right here. So what they've done is they've actually provided us with a physical attachment point. So what we're going to do is we're going to fit it in the bottom of this, kind of pop it in place. Next, we're going to go ahead and set the liner into the floorboard and line it up. And once we're happy with where it is fitting, we're going to go ahead and bear down on the fastener, push down nice and firm, kind of give it a wiggle. And when we lift up, we should have a little mark on where that fastener was hitting. We can go ahead and pull the fastener out. I'm going to set the floor liner to the side. Now we're going to use a flathead screwdriver, and we're going to twist that right into place in the location where we've got the depression. Let me kind of push down to try to get it started. All right, now if you're having trouble with this making a hole through the back end of the carpet, if it's nice and firm, you can take a pick tool, just kind of push a hole through, and then kind of ream that out a little bit. And that should allow you to get that started. Next, we can go ahead and set it in place. Line up with a fastener and bear down. Well, it's just that simple, and that concludes the installation.